Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making miniature school supplies that actually work. So I'm going to be making a teeny tiny notebook, a pen, and a pencil case. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Before we jump into the video, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments, and if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. And now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Okay guys, I'm gonna start by making the miniature notebook. So the first thing you wanna do is go ahead and download and print out this template. I'll have the link for it down below. So these are going to be the pages for the notebook. So you want to go ahead and cut it all out. I've stacked all of the pages together, and now I'm going to mark down where I want the holes to be. So once I've marked it down, I'm going to take this hole puncher and I'm going to punch out 3 holes like so. So we have the pages. Now for the notebook cover, I am using craft foam, and you want to make sure that the actual cover is larger than the pages. I've cut out the craft foam. Now I'm taking one of the pages and I'm putting it on top of the craft foam, and I'm marking down where I want the holes to be. I actually didn't have the right color of craft foam that I wanted, so I ended up coloring it using some acrylic paint. Now to assemble this notebook together, I am going to be using jump rings, and you can find these easily at any craft store like Michael's. And all you want to do is open up the jump ring, put in the front of the cover, the pages, and then the back. So here you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here I actually felt like the notebook cover was a bit too large on one side, so I just cut it off using my pair of scissors. So here we have our notebook. Now you can go ahead and decorate this however you like. I decided that I wanted to make a super cute little penguin, so using acrylic paint, I'm just painting it on. And here is the miniature notebook all completed. Next up, I'm going to show you guys how to make a miniature pencil case. So here I have some Velcro tape, which I'm going to go ahead and cut a little piece of. Again, for this DIY, I'm going to be using craft foam, and this is going to be basically the pencil case. So I'm going to stick on the Velcro tape. So you can see here that I'm just sticking it on. I'm going to peel off the back for the other side, pop it together like so, and this is going to basically be the opening for the pencil case. And I'm going to glue the sides using some hot glue. So this is the pencil case, and you can again decorate this however you like. I am going to be making a rainbow on mine. This is the completed miniature rainbow pencil case. I am so in love with it. It's so small and so cute. For the third and final DIY, I'm going to be making a miniature pen. So here I have a real size pen and I'm going to take out the ink tube, and you want to cut this to the size of the pen that you want to make. So for the body of the pen, I have this like little dropper thing. I cannot remember what you call it. So yeah, I'm sorry about that, but I am cutting off the end of it and I'm gonna stick the little ink tube inside. And then you want to seal the top using some hot glue. We pretty much have our miniature pen. So to decorate it, I decided to take some polymer clay and make a cat-shaped head. You want to let that bake in the oven for about 5 minutes. And while that's baking in the oven, I'm going to color the body of the pen using some pink acrylic paint. Once the charm was out of the oven, I glued it on top of the pen. Finally, using some acrylic paint, I'm going to draw on a face. And here is the miniature pen all completed. I love the way this turned out. It's so tiny and so cute. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next one.